Este es el grupo amigos.
Amigo no, Apu.
Like a drug.
You
Singer Junko.
Junko? Karaoke.
Junko.
뒤로 걷기 중독 증세.
Champú de clean,
Sí.
champú natural, no color.
No, de acá nomás. ¿Aquí? Sí. Montaña. Ah, sí. Sí. Yo otra company. Ah, ¿otra? Sí. Aquí no. 아, 예. Vamos. 지금 새벽 4시 26분인데 무지개산이라고 해서 비니쿤카를 가는 날이에요. 마추픽추랑 똑같이 아프쿤 투어에서 예약했고 60솔에 예약했어요. Tu solo viaja?
Sí, solo.
¿Dónde?
Arequipa.
Tu Peruviano? Ah. Yo soy Corea.
Corea.
Sí.
Sur, norte.
Norte no viaja.
Ah, no viajan norte.
¿Cuánto tiempo?
3 días.
3 días. 이거는 호텔 앞까지 픽업을 온다고 하더라고요. 버스로 왕복이랑 아침밥, 점심밥, 그리고 산소 공급기 이렇게 주는 거 해가지고 60솔 준다고 합니다. 가는데 버스로 3시간 정도 걸린다고 해요. 여기는 버스가 온다고 하고서 다들 조금씩 늦게 오는 것 같아요. 시간 약속을 좀 안 지키네. 시간은 금인데 말이지. Momento. Different?
Sí, 7 colores, sí, diferente.
Diferente. Ah, see you. Chao. Adiós. Hola. Sí.
Adelante. Hoy día vamos a llegar a los
Los franceses son los que hablan.
뭐지?
Speak English?
Yeah, English.
English.
Yeah. Where are you from?
I'm from Peru. From Lima.
아, 이거는 그냥 버터고 이건
You
빵이네요.
want chocolate with?
Yeah, I like. Oh my god. Muchas gracias.
And you travel alone?
Yeah, yeah. Always alone.
Yeah, we're lonely travelers.
Yes. No problem.
No, just no problem. Whatever you want.
아, 추워서 못 먹겠다.
Cheers. Coca leaves.
Coca leaves.
Yeah.
Very typical.
Yes, very typical. Just energy, protection. Okay, to you something. Voy a llevar un poquito de coca. You are like a foreigner. You need to ask for permission to the spirits of the mountain. For example, if you want to get entered to a house, you say, okay, can I enter? So you can ask the mountain so you can enter. So how do you ask it? Giving some coca. Hi mountain, I'm here. I want to know you, so bring you some coca leaves. It's like from the Incas. And when you do that, you are protected and you have a good time. So when we arrive next to the mountain, we will do that, okay?
아, yeah, okay.
Oh no,
버스가 다 똑같이 생겼어.
all are the same.
Yeah.
Look at the landscape. It's like a concrete, but it's very hard.
Yeah.
But it's not concrete. It's only
Soil.
soil.
Oh, yeah.
Soil with some rocks, with water, and it's homemade.
The code. Probably this car.
Grupo amigos.
Yeah.
¿Este es el grupo amigos? Sí,
Amigo no, Apu.
Apo amigos.
Sí.
El grupo.
Todo amigo interno.
Personas nacionales 15 soles y personas extranjeras 25 soles, mis amigos, ¿ok?
You're 25 to 15.
I'm Peruvian.
네.
If I go to Korea, I suppose I have
No,
to pay
no.
more. No,
Korea.
it's the same.
어, 답이.
What's your name? Sorry. Hack.
악.
Hack.
You too?
Eliana.
Alien?
Eliana.
Eliana. What do you do?
I am dentist. Yeah. Why you are so surprised?
Dentist very genius.
Yeah. Not really.
Okay, sir. Today we're gonna get 5,036. This is the maximum altitude. We're gonna walk like a 7 kilometers round and trip. Maybe if you are fast, possible make in 1 hour 10 minutes, maybe 1 hour. So,
Can I use horse?
Yeah, of course you can use the horse. Go up is 60 and then to down is 40. 100 total. It's up to you. You can take maybe just go up. Recommendable because there are many people feeling bad with the altitude. It's possible here is get altitude sickness like a headache, something like that. Okay.
You try trekking?
Yeah.
No horse?
No, with no horse. The most important thing is,
Por aquí,
breathing.
mis amigos, vamos avanzando.
¿Cuántos años?
25.
25.
Don't worry, do the payment with the coca leaves.
Okay, I'm trekking with you. Okay. No horse. Okay.
Okay.
And I die. Okay.
No, you won't die.
어이. 애기가 토를 하네요. 해발 5,000m까지 올라가야 되기 때문에 천천히 올라가야 돼요.
Esto
es metones.
¿Cuánto está?
10.
Okay, let's go.
와, 한 걸음 한 걸음 올라갈 때마다 숨이 차는데 미치겠네.
Horses don't take you to the final, you know, to the final destination. They only leave you nearby. Anyway, you will need to
Walking.
to walk. Yeah, it will be easier.
Walking more easier.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Because you will walk, your body will be start to, you know, to get trained.
Okay, chica.
Coca candy, coca leaves.
If I'm eating coca candy,
Yeah.
I got energy.
Just
Really?
if you want, you can try. Candy, so energy, sugar plus coca.
Delicious.
Delicious.
Okay.
¿Cuántos están los coca candies?
Coca candy, 5. ¿Una florida más?
No.
What is this?
Agua Florida is like special. You can smell it. It's helpful for.
Oh, really?
Let's try it.
Okay, I give you this.
Sí, fuerte.
Yeah.
Y los pillas todo. Like a drug.
Yeah, I like drugs.
Coca leaves and also agua Florida. Okay.
Oh yeah.
And like a drug.
Despacio, más despacio.
Oh, alcohol.
It's alcohol. Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah, it's good.
Oh, fresh. Oh, very good. Vamos.
Okay, let's go.
Try.
Let's do it.
Yeah. Coca candy. 이거는 달고나 같은 맛이네요. 엄청 맛있진 않고 그냥 달고나 맛이에요. 조금 덜 단 달고나 맛. 와, 조금 말하면 바로 숨차요. Sorry, ¿cómo nombre?
Valeria.
Valeria. Sí, sí. 저뭐 이거 짚고 올라가라고 줬어요. Bien, todo bien. Excelente. 와,
Remember breathing.
nose or mouth?
First nose, then mouth.
Yeah. What do you do? What's your job?
I'm a geographer.
Geographer.
Yeah.
Do you like hiking?
Yeah, that's why I like it. When I was in college, I spent my time in many trekking. I need to know the geography of my country.
Yeah, okay. 와, 저기 눈 덮인 산이 있네요. ¿Está bien, amigo? Sí?
Todo bien.
Todo bien.
Todo bien.
와, 근데 너무 이쁘다 여기. Ahora mucho caliente.
Sí, mucho sol. Let's put some coca leaves below a rock. Okay?
Yeah.
To the mountain,
Yeah.
so they can provide us from protection and good luck.
아,
That's why we are always offering some coca. Okay.
here.
Yes. They say us, you give me your coca leaves so you can continue with your trip with no problems. Okay. So let's continue.
Okay. Thank you very much.
No.
그냥 말 타고 갈까 하다가 나이 드신 분들도 그냥 올라가는 거 보고서 용기를 얻었어요. 이 젊은이가 말이지. If you want to water, tell me. Yeah.
Okay. And you know the story of Pinicunas, the Rainbow Mountain? This is a mountain that is new because before, years ago, it was covered totally by snow. So due to global warming, the snow was melting and we can find that this mountain was colorful, you know, from the global warming.
사람들 엄청 빨리 가네. Beautiful, yeah?
It's even more beautiful.
No, you. You be.
Okay, thank you.
아이고, 이쁜 옷을 입고 있어. 알파카 안경까지 쓰고 있어. No recommend to take a horse here.
No, you can challenge your body so it can become stronger.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
Eating snack, yeah?
Yeah, 4,000 meters above sea level, it's not recommended to eat anything because your stomach, to process all the food, needs oxygen. It's slow process and maybe you can throw away. So it's
No.
No, maybe after. We will have a buffet for lunch.
Ah,
so
yeah.
It's better to wait.
It's very important.
It's very important. Yeah.
Thank you, expert.
Why I know that? Because I went to a hike and eat, and then I was in the middle of the road and started
All right.
and I feel miserable.
But candy, no problem?
No, candy, no problem. I mean,
Okay. Water, no problem.
yeah, water is okay. Water is better.
뭐야? 말 왜 이렇게 뛰어? 사람 태우러 가나 봐요. 여기서부터 말을 타나 보네요. 말 타면 저렇게 올라가나 봐요. 저분들은 숨도 안 차시나 봐.
Those rock towers. Build it and put the last rock. You can make a wish.
Okay, vamos.
So
This.
yeah, you can feel that silence. It's difficult to find it somewhere else. It's only a silence that mountain can give you, to meditate.
Are you okay now?
Huh?
Are you okay now?
Yes, yes.
아, 나같이 나약한 몸뚱아리는 고산병 100% 올 텐데.
Where are you from?
아, Korea. Me too.
Yeah, Peru, acá. You like it?
Here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love it.
Singer Junko.
Junko. Junko? Junko. Like karaoke.
Junko from the what's the group name?
Huh?
Junko? Junko?
아, Jungkook. Jungkook. Yes.
Very, very popular Korean culture and Korean music. Everything about K-pop, music, manga.
Manga is not Korean.
Okay, it's from Japanese.
망가
Sorry.
합방이야. Don't worry, don't worry. 근데 이거 말 안 타고 가도 되겠는데? 할만한데요? 이게 경사가 높은 게 아니라 엄청 힘들다기보다 근육이 힘든 거보다 숨이 차서 힘든 거거든요. 이 정도 상태라면 말 안 타길 잘한 것 같아. 아이고. 저 말들은 하루에 몇 번을 왕복해야 끝나는 것일까? 말들의 숙명. 토도 bien?
Okay.
야, strong girl.
Experience, girl.
아, yes.
Caminar para atrás también, o sea, así, como que también.
아, better.
Take care of all the rocks. But you have a nice view, actually. Don't worry.
따라하기 시작했어요. It's more good.
Yeah.
뒤로 걸으니까 좀 괜찮아졌네요. 코카이노. Muchas gracias. Borracho. Borracho.
Come on. You got this, boy. You got it. You
Come
got
on.
it.
Yeah.
Vámonos.
머리가 띵하다. 뒤로 걷기 중독 증세. K 등산. We need to rest.
We are almost in the 5,000. Okay. We need a rest.
Yeah. If you want to, I can bring your But you drink first. Yeah.
I mean, I start to feel headache. But because we have done the things right, we didn't eat anything, or coca candies, we aspire or drugs.
Vamos, vamos.
Vamos, carajo, vamos.
날씨가 너무 선선하다 보니까 땀은 안 나고 숨만 엄청 찹니다. 저기가 정상인 것 같은데 아무리 봐도. 어제 돈 주고 세탁 맡겼는데. 오. 아 근데 실물로 보니까 영 아닌데. 보정빨이 있는 것 같아요. 이렇게 얌전하게 잘 있어. 아 순간 방구 냄새 났어. Are you okay?
Yes.
Finish?
Yeah, we reached the 5,000 meters.
와 힘들었다. 사람 너무 많아서 뭐 사진 찍기가 그런데요. 이렇게 그냥 해봐야 5,000m 올라와서 사진 찍고 끝나면 되는 것 같아요. 가자. EMP 피크. 내려가다 발 잘못 디뎌서 굴러 떨어지는 상상함. 내려갈수록 마음이 편해지네요. 근데 확실히 두통은 약간 있어요.
Okay, now I start to feeling hungry. Everything is done and we made it. I just want to eat a big lunch.
Yes. 네, 내려갈 때 확실히 더 어지럽네요. 몰라. 순애가 끔박끔박. 어지러워. 그리고 똑같이 아침에 밥 먹었던 곳에서 밥 먹고 끝납니다.
Ya, tengo que ir para allá. Bye.
Chao.
Chao, cuídate.
그냥 페루에 왔으니까 한번 해보는 그 정도 투어가 아닌가 싶습니다. 아 이거 너무 맛있게 보이는데? Hola. ¿Cuánto es? 4. Una.
One shot, aquí,
Ah, no, gracias. No, gracias.
one shot.
¿Un sol?
Sí, on your brush. The plus.
Sí. caramel sorapan. ¿Aquí?
Sí.
¿Un sol? Ok.
Montaña.
7 montañas.
7 montañas.
Muchas gracias.
Sí. Champú de clean.
Sí.
Champú natural, no color.
Ah, sí.
Where from? Japan?
Ah, Corea.
Korea.
Sí. 뉴발란스 신으셨네. 새 신발이 됐다.
Por champú on tensor.
어?
Por champú tensor.
샴푸 텐소.
Yeah.
No, 2 sol. No, 2 sol, amigo. 2 sol 20. Yeah. Muchas gracias, amigo. Ciao. 아니 원래 1솔이라고 해서 1솔은 좀 아니다 해서 2솔 드리려고 했는데 갑자기 10솔을 달라고 하네. 샴푸를 해줬다고. 아 쉽지 않다. 쉽지 않네요. 저렇게 길거리에서 하는 거는 이제 잘 못 믿겠네요. 비니쿠카에서 만났던 소녀랑 점심을 먹으러 가고 있어요. 맛있는 점심을 먹어야겠어. Amiga. Sí, bien, bien.
Oh yeah.
Aquí.
Yes, it's here. It's a good restaurant, but I still know the prices and are too bit higher. So maybe have a...
Ah, price.
Yeah, you can check.
You want a more cheaper price or it's okay? You?
No, I mean, maybe I can.
So expensive. Yeah. 60.
Go to another place.
Yeah. Here. Wow. Okay. Bonita place.
I will take this.
Do you take it? Me too. Ahí de gaji. Eating lunch and go to otra cafe. I will buy.
Ah, okay. No, yes.
저기 시위하는데요?
It's very normal here. But in Korea, you have like this.
Yeah, similar. Yeah.
12 soles. Look at this.
Yeah.
It's big.
Yeah.
Very good. So, what's your plans in Korea?
Kuno. Titicaca. Tour.
Titicaca lake has like the shape of a puma that's similar to a leopard. You see, it's like a cat
Ah.
with the tail. Peru number 1 with pollo a la brasa. And then number 10, ají de gallina.
Ah, yes.
So we are eating.
Yeah. 이 위에 꽃도 장식해서 주네요. 향기는 엄청 좋네요. 생긴 색깔은 좀 이래도.
You like it?
매운맛이 빠진 갈릭 닭도리탕 맛이에요. 감자랑 치킨이랑 같이 밥이랑 같이 먹는 거죠. 소스가 좀 짜긴 한데 감자랑 밥이랑 같이 먹으면 간이 딱 맞아요.
You eat super fast.
Yeah.
I mean, I eat super fast, but you eat faster.
More than
Yeah.
when I was in the army, Korean army. But this is very bad.
Yeah, it's not good.
다 먹었는데 밥에다가 이 소스 다시 비벼서 먹고 싶어요.
I can end my chicha. It's so much.
Yeah. Wow, we are perfect clear.
Almost clear.
Yeah. Por favor. 이런 곳에 모기로 밀렸지 어떻게? 카페 디와시? Yeah, Peruvian coffee. Vamos.
Look at this.
Hola señorita.
Hola.
Foto.
Lama.
Alpaca.
Alpaca.
Baby. Esa se llama Juanita.
향기 나네.
Parecía ese peluchito.
Muchas gracias, mami. 여기가 에스프레소 바네요. 저 아메리카노. 요 아보카도. Oh my god.
Sorry.
Don't worry, don't worry.
Enjoy.
Yes. Let's try. 이거. 저는 산미 있는 커피 별로 안 좋아하는데 페루 커피는 약간 산미가 느껴져요. Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you too. Bye. Take care of yourself.
오케이. 아무튼 이렇게 쿠스코에서의 일정 잘 마쳤네요. 오늘도 영상 봐주셔서 감사드리고 항상 행복한 하루 되세요.